We know that maths and science are stepping stones to engineering studies. Engineers make a world of difference and help shape the future. That's why we want to get more young women into the industry. Our Young Women in Engineering programs gives female high school students a chance to get a taste of what a career in engineering could be like. If you're a young woman in Year 9 or 10 in 2019, you're invited to be part of our free Young Women in Engineering workshop.
By participating in the YoWIE camp, I discovered new aspects of mathematics and science that I will keep for the rest of my schooling years.
Participating in the YoWIE program has helped broaden my understanding of engineering and has encouraged me to get a career in engineering.
Join our summer school and improve your confidence and preparedness to study engineering at university.